Hey guys, Everlasting Games here, Crazy12 here, and I was just walking around and I found this unclaimed sky base. Um, you can tell someone's already stacked there, but I don't have enough blocks, so let's see how many homes I got. Set home. What should I set home? Okay. My homes aren't that organized, but I'll fix it later. Might as well get an axe to chop some wood real quick for some blocks. Ooh, did I drop that sword? Oh, that was close. It's a good sword. Right. Let's get some wood. What the heck? Oh, yeah. Hopefully it's a good raid. Heck. Alright. I think that's enough. 52. Just get a little more. One more tree. One more tree won't hurt. Can't get that? Alright. Sugar cane. Hopefully it's a good raid. If it's nothing, I'm gonna laugh. But yeah, I was just recording a 1v1 between Goops and Ironwood that I'm gonna be posting. And I just started running. And I saw a post. And I saw shadows. I just saw this. What the fuck am I doing? Alright. Cores don't look too far from spawn. Considering the border's 10k. Please be enough. Please be enough. No, I'm not gonna have enough. Oh my gosh. I might set home here again. Eat some steak. Cut more wood. I knew I was gonna have enough. Fuck. So claim that. Oh, wood cutting. I should start doing this. 28 should be enough. It should be, I swear. Hopefully. I hope there's something good in here. I swear to God. Alright, good. It's enough. Oh. Great. It's chest. Fuck. Wow, an axe. That's all? The fuck is this shit? Alright, what's this? Emma's chest. Another axe. The fuck kind of shit is this? Best raid of my life. Oh, more chest. Oh, shit. Diamonds for repairing. So it's not that bad at all, actually. Can sell these. What else you got? What else can you give me? Chest room, community. Anything else? No. Oh, I guess that's not a bad raid. Oh yeah, I got my kit raid. I'm about to go boom boom. Hopefully I won't fall off the cliff and die. Alright, 2 TNT's not gonna do anything, but still, okay. Well, 3 blocks of diamond, like, it's not bad at all. Oh, almost fell. Alright. Yeah. Alright. That's good enough raid, I guess. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.